Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this practical series on informatic practices with Python Pandas. So to start with, in our practical number 12, we have to write a program to create a data frame to store roll number, name and marks of 5 students and print the data frame and its transpose. So to start with, I will go to my browser first. Okay, I will open Google Colab. So once done, I will go open Google Colab, new notebook. I will rename it as IP practical number 12. And in this I have to write. Okay, so I have to write a program to create a data frame to store roll number, name and marks of 5 students and print the data frame and its transpose. So this is the program I have to write. So to start with, I will first import PANDAS as PD. Then I will write a data frame equal to PD dot data frame D capital F capital. Then I will write dictionary here. So dictionary will contain first roll number. So you can just write roll and here. Then in this dictionary roll number will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 students I need. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now I want name. So I will write name, or I can write student name. So I can write, so list of name I can write like Rahul, Rohit, Sachin, Saurav, and I can write Suresh. These are the student I have write. So these are strings, so everything will be in inverted commas. So I can quickly write this. These are the student name I got. So next I have so we have to create a dictionary here, and this is the list. Okay, so I can just run this. Now I have roll number, student name, and then I will write the marks. So marks, suppose Rahul got 450, Rohit got 489, and this Sachin got 350, then this one got 456, so and Suraj got 312. Okay, so you can write any number here. So my next, first I will print this one. So I'm just printing a dash here, so I'm printing it 50 times. So if I execute this, I will get so I'm getting 50 dashes. Okay, so next I can write I want to print my data frame. So I will print this one, and I want to print my data frame. I will just print df. Okay. So if I execute this, I will get my data frame has been printed. So whatever I have written in this, so roll number is 1 2 3 4 5. Roll number I'm getting 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and index number by default I'm getting 0 1 2 3 4, and student name Rahul, Rohit, Sachin, Saurav, Suresh. So I'm getting as it is, and now I'm getting the corresponding marks. So after this, what I can do, I want to again print this 50 dashes here. So I will just copy this and I will print Control V. So enter. So my next set of question is roll. First, we have to create a data frame to store roll number, name, marks of 5 students, and I have to print data frame and transpose. So now I have to print data frame and transpose. So for that, I will just write print transpose of the given data frame, or you can write the created data frame. Data frame we have created, it was not given. So now what I can write. So for transpose, what you have to write, print df dot transpose. That's it. And if you want to now if you execute this, so I'm getting the transpose. So transpose mean, if I have to write what is transpose, so transpose, it means rows changes to columns and columns changes to rows. So if you can see, we had 1 2 and 3 columns and 5 rows, but after transpose we have 1 2 3 4 5 columns and 3 rows. So rows changes to column and column changes to rows. So if you can see this, we have in column roll number, student, marks, but in here we have in roll number, student name, and marks in rows. So rows, column changes to rows and rows changes to columns. So this was in the practical number 12. We will meet in the next practical. Thank you very much.